understand the spiral roundabouts A183 Chester Road to A19 North. Remember, as you approach the end of the road, this is a 30 mph speed limit. Checking your mirrors and indicating to the left, approaching the roundabout looking to your right, and merging when it's safe to do so. Remember, the speed limit's still 30 miles an hour, and you're on the A183. Remember to check your mirrors every 5 to 8 seconds. Just as important to know what's behind you as what's in front. Approaching a roundabout, we're going to go straight ahead second exit towards the Tyne Tunnel, A19 North. Check your centre and right mirror and look to the right for cars that you may need to give way to. Joining the roundabout, look left, indicate left. Make progress up the hill. Got a choice of both lanes to go up. To turn right, we start in the left hand lane, following the signs for the Tyne Tunnel at the third exit. And as the road splits into 3, right mirror, indicate right, and move safely into the middle lane. Remain in the middle lane past the first exit, continuing to indicate right. Aim at the Chesley Street sign. Then we're going to bear to the right. At this point, indicate left. Looking around. Always be aware of the car which is on your right hand side. Now let's make progress down the acceleration lane, joining the A19 North.